We're learning new details about a double murder in the Cherokee area in January. Action News Now reporter Bella Barbosa shows us how the Butte County District Attorney's Office got a guilty verdict for two Humboldt County men.
On the morning of January 30th, the bodies of Juan Daniel Ariola Solano and Esquil Vela Ariano Jr. were found in a burnt car.
They were found on a dirt road called Condor Road, and the autopsy revealed that both of the victims had been shot execution style and were dead before the fire ignited in the car.
12 days later, investigators with the Butte County Sheriff's Office and CAL FIRE say they found the culprits, arresting Samuel Ashley and Wesley Evans. I spoke with one of the prosecutors in the case, Mark Murphy, about what led to the guilty verdict. Murphy says part of the reason the trial took more than a month was due to an abnormal schedule, with Thanksgiving falling in the middle of it. But he also attributes the length to the more than 200 evidence exhibits.
Part of it is just the volume of material. So this is largely a circumstantial case, so there are lots of pieces that have to be put together for the jurors to see what happened.
Murphy says the evidence presented in court was mostly circumstantial, revolving around phone evidence and security video evidence.
There was extensive cleanup by the two defendants. Immediately after the murder, they had dumped their cell phones, they dumped a trailer that they had brought over from Humboldt, and they went basically from the crime scene to a Walmart in Chico, where they purchased new clothes, and then there were some other purchases in Red Bluff, and then ultimately there was a witness in Hayfork who described the defendants burning clothing, and at least one of the clothing items appeared to have blood on it.
In court, Ashley testified that the person who killed the victims was a friend of his named Andrew. Evans testified that Ashley was the shooter. But Murphy says the DA's office is confident that both Ashley and Evans conspired to commit the crime.
But it doesn't matter who pulls the trigger. If there's a conspiracy or an agreement between two people to commit a crime, and the crime was murder in this case, then they're responsible for that crime, regardless of who actually pulls the trigger.
In Concow, Bella Barbosa, Action News Now.
Both murderers will be sentenced on January 9th, and they each face life without the possibility of parole.